How to fix Roblox audio not working on iOS. So just exit out of the Roblox application, and here we want to go to our phone's settings. Just gonna go back. Okay, so just search for a setting, search for offload, and you will see this option, offload unused apps. Select it. Now from the list you want to find your Roblox. Click on it and you will see this option to offload the app. So just select offload app. It will tell us that it will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Click on offload, and then after you've done this, click on reinstall app. Just give it some time to reinstall. Might take a little bit of time. I'm gonna come back in a second when it's actually reinstalled. Okay, so that was literally a second later, and now I have Roblox reinstalled. And if I click on Roblox to load up my account and everything, and hopefully now your audio will work. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.